Welcome to the 5/3 update. In 1 minute, we'll show how to customize your app theme and navigation bar. Why customize? A tailored theme improves usability and reinforces your brand. This update adds a theme editor and a flexible navigation bar with layout and reorder options. First, open Settings, then select Appearance to access the theme editor. You can pick presets or create a custom palette using the updated color tools. Also choose compact or expanded navigation and reorder icons with drag and drop. Step 1. Tap Settings from the main menu. Step 2. Open Appearance and then tap Theme Editor to begin. Step 3. Choose a preset or tap Custom to set primary and accent colors. Step 4. Open Navigation Bar Settings. Pick a layout, then drag icons to reorder. Preview changes live, test contrast, and toggle dark mode to check accessibility. When satisfied, hit Save. Your app now reflects your style. For more tips, open Help in Settings.